In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify breadcrumb text or structure using custom PHP. This process can enhance your website's navigation and improve user experience. You'll learn how to implement these changes either through a code snippet plugin or by using a child theme. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about using a code snippet plugin, a popular choice for many WordPress users who want to make custom changes without directly editing theme files. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to the plugin section on the left-hand menu and select Add New. In the search bar, type Code Snippets and look for a well-reviewed plugin that fits our needs. Once you find it, click Install Now and then Activate to get it up and running. With the plugin installed and activated, we'll move on to adding our custom PHP code. Find the Snippets option in your dashboard menu and click on Add New. You'll see a field where you can enter your custom code. Here, you can add the specific PHP code to modify your breadcrumb text or structure. Ensure you have the correct code, as incorrect syntax can cause errors on your site. Before proceeding, a quick tip: always have a backup of your site. This way you'll have a safety net if something goes awry. Many hosting providers offer easy backup solutions, or you can use one of the many plugins available for WordPress. Now paste your custom PHP code into the snippet field. Below you'll find a spot to name your snippet. Choose a descriptive name like breadcrumb modifications so you can easily identify it later. After that, there's an option to select where this code should run, either site-wide or only in the admin area. For breadcrumb ideas, you'll likely want it site-wide. Once you've configured these options, click Save Changes and Activate. Your changes should now be live on your website. Alternatively, if you prefer a more traditional and robust method, you can use a child theme. This approach involves editing the theme's functions PHP file without risking changes being lost during theme updates. If you haven't set up a child theme yet, start by creating one. You can do this by accessing your website's directory through FTP or a file manager on your hosting provider's control panel. In your existing themes directory, create a new folder for the child theme. Inside, create a style.css file and a functions.php file. Once your child theme is set up, switch to it in your WordPress dashboard under Appearance and Themes. Then, simply add your custom PHP code to the child theme's functions PHP file in the text editor. After completing these steps, it's crucial to check your site to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Visit several pages and test the breadcrumbs to make sure they reflect your intended changes. If you notice any issues, double-check the PHP code for any errors and ensure it's properly placed in the snippet or child theme file.